Guys, quickly let me show you how I made this sandal. So simple. You see the pattern is very easy to do. Just wrapping the shoulders, removing the back cut, then the remaining is just strap. All right, 3 straps or 4, yeah, 4 straps to one long vertical strap. So after I just get the sewing done, placing them together using the glue, go back to your sewing machine and get to sew. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with others. Let's just watch this. This is children school sandals, and there are some adults that also use it for agbada and all of that. So if you've seen someone with this type of sandal before, just tell me yes in the comment section. And if you want the full video of removing the pattern, you can also tell me. Drop the video, just comment, drop the video in the comment section. Right, so I'll just show you guys how I get to mold this. It's very easy, it's not hard to do. Get the shoe mold, place the back first, place the back, then tag it to the front. Now this is your floor pattern. Use the tag nail to tag the floor pattern to the shoe last, front and back. You give some little space away from the end, closer to the ending point of the shoe last. So first tag the vertical strap first, then arrange the back. You can see, arrange the back carefully, you tag. So it's easy, right? Make sure your back height is placed normal. If you don't know what is the back height or how to calculate your back height, just tell me in the comment section. I'll show you, or I'll refer you to a video where you can watch it. Just in case you don't know what is back height, just tell me in the comment section. Right, so I'm still tagging. Right, so let's do this. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like this video, share it, copy the link and share on your social media platforms. This is ABC Shoes, where we teach you everything that pattern shoes. Like these sandals can be used with your jean, with your native dress, and also your agbada, ashwebi for guys, men on suits or men in agbada, all these trending dressings like the one they use in Pella's wedding, you understand? So if you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. It's very important you do that for me. So let's watch. I'm still tagging, trying to mold carefully. Right, so you see everywhere is tagged. So I now remove the excesses. So just remove the excesses, then you rub the gum. Rub the gum carefully, then allow for drying. Yeah, it's so easy to do, trust me. If you want the video of the pattern remover, just let me know. I'll drop it and I'll share the link with you. Just write a comment on the comment section. So just drop the video or share the link with me. Just write it in the comment section, and I will do that. All right, so carefully use the tag nail to close up the pattern. The last thing allowance, close up the leader using your passing plier. All right, so apply pressure, heat it up, remove the tag nails, scrape it, watch.
Stop it, Anticulate! You have released me, Aladdin. In return, I'll grant you 3 wishes.
So watch the finishing. Look at what we have.
And who grants me wishes?
This is the sole. You can see how amazing it is. It's so easy to do. Just get your pattern done and assemble them together, and the lasting procedure is so easy. Thank you for watching.